Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today in this video I'm going to show you how can you get your Gcam on the Realme device. So make sure to watch the video till the end because I'm going to show you two Gcam mods wherein both of them are completely different but both of them have their problems and their benefits. Also note that this video I'm currently recording is being recorded via a Gcam. So this Gcam is the one which I use personally, and it is the one which I'm going to tell you in the later part of the video. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I know the intro was a bit long, but don't worry because the video is going to be short, not that short. Okay, so without wasting time, so the first Gcam is the Gcam which was being developed when the Pixel 2 came out, and the second Gcam is the Gcam which was being developed while the Pixel 3 came out. Okay, so you might be thinking Pixel 3 obviously had a better camera than the Pixel 2, but yeah, that was true, but it is not the same in the case of the mods, because mods are being developed by the developers who are geeks like me and the geeks like you. So you know that there are some problems while developing those. So I personally use the mod which was being developed by the mod of the Pixel 2, and this is the mod of the Pixel 2, so you can be the judge how is the video quality of the Pixel 2. So yeah, now let's look at the settings of the Pixel 2 mods and the photos from Pixel 2 mod. So here you go. Okay, so first let's talk about the Gcam mod, which is the one of the Pixel 2. Okay, so just open it, and so this is the link where I'll be going to share you the Gcam mod. You can download the Gcam mods from both of the mods for the Pixel 2 and Pixel 3 as well from the link in the description section, so don't forget to do that. So this is the installation process. I have already installed it, so I'm going to skip this process, but do make sure that you download it and just open it and give it all the necessary permissions. Okay, so this is the viewer finder. Now let's just go open to the settings, and just you can fiddle around with the settings. Do make sure that to turn on the settings only, because if you fiddle around with the settings then it might not turn on, as you can see. Now just follow the settings I'm going to show you and make sure that you follow them. Do not skip any of the settings, otherwise the video quality or the picture quality might not come out great. And if you want to just change some of the settings, make sure you search it on the internet before doing that. I have searched those settings and gone through the settings again and again and again, and I have done that hard work so that you don't have to do it again. So make sure to follow the settings, and this is the developer option wherein you can fiddle around with the settings. Just you can select the time frame or the face block. Also make sure do not turn on this 0.2 H265, because it will not make the output. It will show you an error. Make sure to turn it off, and you can check those settings. As you can see, you can pause the video and check it, or else you can do your own settings, but these are the ones I like. Now the best part about this mod is everything works. Literally everything works. You might be thinking that the picture quality on this is not good, but it is good because the viewfinder doesn't found it. Now let's move to some samples. There are some samples which I have been taken, so here are those samples. Also I have taken the HDR shot and the portrait mode shot so that you can get a better idea. Video shot I have already shown you. Okay, so this was during Diwali time, so here are some pictures I have taken. As you can see, the photo with the crackler is looking great, the plant photo with the close-up shot and the macro shot looks great, the background blur is looking awesome, and you can check it. So this is the HDR photo. Just look at, there is no halo effect. The HDR is doing perfectly a good job. So this was taken complete darkness. I took the shot upside down and it's looking great. I am going to post this on Instagram as well. And this is the one I took. I like this one. This one looks nice. As you can see, the background is nice and the candle is glowing up. Now here are some of the personal favorites where I took a portrait mode shot. As you can see, the left one is a portrait mode and the right one is a normal mode. The background blur is awesome, just check it out. So yeah, these were the photo samples of the Gcam mode which I personally use. I do not use the one which is of Pixel 3, and the Pixel 3 is this one. Okay, so the installation process is going to be the same one, and this is the Pixel 3 mod, so you can check it out. So everything works. Just look at those settings if you are keen to use this. So here are those settings. as again I have done all the hard work, and so that you don't need to do it again. Here is all the settings. You can just pause the video and make sure to follow them. Also, one drawback is in the Pixel 2 model as well and the Pixel 3 model as well, that the front camera only records full HD video, not full HD video. So that is one drawback. Yes, and the advantage of this Pixel 3 model is that night side works, and there one big disadvantage is the slow motion. Even though the slow motion opens up and it shoots video awesome, it shoot videos, but it doesn't show up in slow motion. For example, let me show it to you. So as you can see, the video is showing up, but as you can see, the picture quality is also not great in the video. But when it is not the main part, it is in slow motion, but as you can see, the video quality, it is not in slow motion, it is in normal motion, around 30 to 60 fps depending upon the setting you choose. So this is one major drawback, and I don't like this because it is like that, and the picture quality doesn't work as well. Portrait mode works fine on this one, so you don't need to take tension about it, as you can see. And yep, don't forget to download these from the description section. I have given those links. So, and that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and thanks for watching.